So today I am actually getting ready to do a hair transformation video and a makeup video. I have a lady who is suffering from alopecia, and so she definitely have been wearing wigs, and she's tired of the wigs. She has been wearing her scarves and stuff. She hasn't had her hair done in a year. Give me her turban, and it's actually sitting on my station now. A lot of people here want to hold on to every strand, but I'm like, come on girl, cut your hair, change your life. I get to show you the before picture, which I do have, because you know when she came in the door, she's like, oh, I don't want to show the world, but she did allow me to take a before picture. The center of her crown, she has a few spots where there is hair missing. Actually under the dryer. I've already relaxed her hair, and I've already molded her. Getting ready to get her from under the dryer. She's under the dryer now. She's under the dryer now. Super so excited because I want to know what it's gonna look like in me and myself. I'm definitely gonna do her makeup. She said she hasn't worn makeup. She doesn't wear makeup. She said the most makeup she wore was at her wedding, and it was a little eyeshadow, eyeliner. So I'm super excited because she today is gonna have a full face. Now I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna give her something natural. Her husband has no idea of who he is gonna see when he get home. But I am so excited. I can't wait to hear her response, see her reaction. So stick around, watch, share, like, comment. I'm trying to get it going. I want to do more videos like these, and so knowing that you all are watching and that this is something that you all want to see is exciting to me, because I'm like, I'll keep doing it. This is what I love to do. So I'm Tiffini Sher'ee. If you haven't liked this, like now, share. All right, you all, stay tuned. Getting ready to get her from under the dryer. This is so super exciting. So just a matter of time, she'll almost dry. Did not recognize herself, neither did I, and I am so excited.
Oh wow! I love it. You love it? Oh my goodness! I look totally different. Totally different.
Let me show you the back.
Wow, my hair ain't been that straight before. And you can't even see it. Go, girl!
Looking at her face like, oh my gosh, whoa. I said, so who are you? She's like, I don't know who are you, right?
Okay, no, who is that head on top of there? This hair ain't never been this straight before.
Are you, right?
Okay, no, who is that head on top of there? said this hair ain't never been this straight before.
It ain't never been that straight. She did ask me how to maintain her hair, so to definitely tie it up. Definitely want to get get those treatments every 2 weeks.
How often should I be coming? Like
Every
week?
2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks.
Or if you feel like, nah, I need to be here every week, then every week, but every 2 weeks. Did not think that her hair was going to be as great as it did, and she actually loved it. She didn't even recognize who she was. I was just like, oh my God, wow, how awesome is that?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, but it was like, oh my God, you can't even tell, which was the point, which was our goal.
I got hair back there.
You do though, you do.
Look at that back of my head.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So cute.
Thank you very much, girl. It's
see,
Monday.
Hey, you like I didn't even go somewhere, huh? That was a success. I'm all about hair care. It's not so much about styling. It's just more so for me making sure that you feel amazing, you look great, and that I have the capability to enhance or to make someone's day. As she continues to get it treated, she comes up with different styles. She lets me, design it. So I'm just there turban, figuring she don't need that anymore.